Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video again related to functional equations. We have here. I'm considering this function equation, that is f of x plus 2 is equal to 2 times f of x plus 1 minus f of x. The idea is here to find the function which satisfies this equation. I'm starting with the constant function, that is f of x equal to c. Now I need to find the values of f of x plus 2, f of x plus 1, because this is a constant function, so we have f of x plus 2 is equal to c, and 2 times f of x plus 1 is again equal to 2 into c, and the original function is f of x equal to c. Now plug these values in the original equation. When we plug these values in the original equation, we eventually get on the left hand side c, and on the right hand side we have 2 into c minus c. So when we simplify right hand side, we get c is equal to c. So this shows that the constant function f of x equal to c is solution to the given functional equation. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.